This is a 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road 4x4. It is a low-mileage, one-owner SUV with remaining factory warranty. It runs and drives nicely. The interior and exterior are very clean. The tires are 17-inch Dunlap Grand Treks, and they are in good shape. It has a 4-liter V6, 5-speed automatic transmission, locking rear differential, multi-terrain select and crawl control, part-time 4-wheel drive system with active TRAC, front skid plates and tow package. Features include Toyota Safety Sense with pre-collision system including pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert, star safety system, power driver's seat, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment with Apple Carplay, Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth, power windows and locks, rear power window, air conditioning, keyless entry. Be ready for all that Montana roads and trails offer and have peace of mind with Toyota reliability. For more information about this vehicle or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana